Come with me as I take you through this vlog when I was invited by DUT to be a guest speaker as an industry expert in corporate finance and corporate strategy. Here I was waiting in town just before heading to DUT. So yeah, I was when I just arrived. I parked on the side and then I took a short video at Chicken Licken. Okay, so you can see across the road, that's Steve Biko campus, and there's taxis driving past. I was waiting for my lecture friend so that he can come and escort me in. Some things never change. I don't know if it was a strike or what was happening, but there was just something going on there while I was waiting. Yeah, I haven't been here for like 10 years. So my friend came after like 2 minutes waiting for him, and then we decided that we're gonna go to Chicken Licken, which is just across the road, before we enter inside the school. Here we are ordering our meals. So here's my meal, wings and chips. The food was very fast to get ready. Okay, so we were done very quickly with the food, and then here I was taking another short video. We were going inside the campus now, Steve Biko. So this was inside the campus. I haven't been at DUT for many years, so it did not look like this when I was a student. So this was all new. So yeah, I was following my guy just before the lecture. This is me waiting for the lecture to start. Bored, taking another short video. Okay, this is before I started my presentation. This was during my presentation as I was explaining about corporate strategy and a business proposal. So we were done and we were just about to leave here. Okay, and then I got a little gift. Thank you so much for having me at DUT, and also thank you for watching this vlog. Make sure you follow